Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanile. So I'm back again with indaba zala kwiBetway Premiership. So indaba engizoqala ngazo ke namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngeindaba zomdlalo obedlalele Orlando Pirates. Currently he's on loan playing for iOrbit College. Umjida ke contract yakhe izophela ngoJune kuOrbit College, uzobuyela kuOrlando Pirates after uJune. But ke kuneindaba eziphumile esizwile sonke bafethu kuthiwa iRaja Casablanca. iRaja Casablanca have made a contact with the Orlando Pirates for Umonapole Saleng, who is currently on loan. Remember ke iRaja Casablanca icoachwa ubani? Icoach Orlando Pirates vele okubani okuFaldo Davids. uFaldo Davids ufuna the former Orlando Pirates, not the former per se, but ufuna umdlali wePirates. But ke it looks like Orlando Pirates kungenzeka umjida imdayisi singesazi ke ukuthi ucoach uzothini, because ifinally say izoba kuyena ucoach if umjida uyamdinga ebuyelile ku team le ekhona currently. But ke when ngangitshela, do you think Orlando Pirates kumele imdedele umjida imdayise ayele kwiRaja Casablanca? For me, I think this is a good deal for Orlando Pirates. A team like iRaja Casablanca can be a good team for Umonapole Saleng because uzobedlala lapha mfethu ehola kahle lapha eAlgeria, not eAlgeria bese eMorocco. Uzobe hola kahle, uzobe futhi etholana nobani no lodge na kubadlala lapha. So umjidi uzobe eholela kahle and uzobe edlalela ibhola into eziningi ngiyaza focus ekuzona. Le eMorocco akunaku into eziningi, kudlalwa nje ibhola nje kuphela. So kuyazange ngijabulisa ke le indaba lezi ukuthi umjida ufunwa iRaja Casablanca. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje ngizwile kuthiwa kuneindaba eziphumile kuthiwa umdlalo Orlando Pirates, imidfielder Orlando Pirates could be close to move to Sweden. Kune club emfunayo yase Sweden. The 20-year-old Orlando Pirates kule season akazayidlalela Orlando Pirates bafethu uSimphiwe Slap. Njengoba ngaze nje ayidlalele Orlando Pirates, it looks like Orlando Pirates behind the scenes they are preparing the boy to move abroad. They are selling these youngsters. If you remember, Mahankota was sold. Mbekiseni Mbokazi, he's in a process to be sold Legu MLS. Another youngster, eqhamuke last season, okuSimphiwe Slap, he is on a process too to be sold le Sweden. It looks like iDiski Orlando Pirates, iDiski challenge team Orlando Pirates ikhiqiza abadlali bangempela, because Orlando Pirates right now ivuna kubadlali eyayibatshalile, ivuna kule products le yabo, even though products yabo ingabawineli ama cups le kuDiski challenge, but look at these players ababa exportayo yabo, these young players ababa exportayo babanikeza imali yabo. Imagine nje imali eyenziwe uMbokazi with Nkota, it's close to 100 million, even more yabo. Boba uthu leyo badlala benze 100 million or more for Orlando Pirates yabo. Ukudayiswa kwabo nje benzele Orlando Pirates imali eningi. Kwezinye izindaba futhi ungakhohlwa abadlali abathathu kuOrlando Pirates bangenzeka babe suspended, okubani okulibone Siyema, okuPatrick Maswangayi, mase kubusihle Nduli. Bonke abajida ba on 1 yellow card away from suspension for igame esoyidlala ngomhla 6 December yeCarling Knockouts final. So lawo badlali labo bathathu kumele benze sure ukuthi aba pick up any yellow cards. I'm sure now usihle Nduli, the player is currently injured, so I don't think uzo pick up any injury. Lebone Siyema with Tito Maswangayi ibona abadlali ongenzeka ba pick up ama yellow cards. So I don't think Orlando Pirates izowenza ama-risk amaningi ukuthi badlalise. I think ulibona Siyema against Durban City kumele athi ukuhlala kancane ebenchini, introduce maybe Unda. Yes, introducing Unda might be a good choice for Orlando Pirates because they might lose ulibona Siyema on the final yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, Mamelodi Sundowns forward uPeter Shalulile kuthiwa he has suffered a broken jaw injury. Umjida bafethu uselimele ke bafethu currently for iSundowns, ngeke aze abe khona against uRolani Mkwena igame leyo yeMC Alger yabo. Bekuthiwa broken jaw, angazi noma mhlawumbe akhuluma ngale impahla le, heyibo kabe kwenzakalana. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iStelis sinqabile asifuni ukudayisa asifuni ukudayisa umdlali waso. Lo mdlali ke lo bafethu uDevin Titus ubefunwa ele club le eShaya Kaizer Chiefs kwiCAF Confederations. Benikhumbula kahle ke leyo match, ngayibukanga leyo match le iKaizer Chiefs yashawa iclub ebizwa ngeAl Masry edlala le eEgypt. Leyo club ke befuna umdlali uDevin Titus. Njengoba befuna nje uDevin Titus abakwazi ukumthola because iStelis ayifuna ukumdayisa uDevin Titus, but the player is not for sale. The player is not for sale for iwindi la January. so kungenzeka ukuthi uDavid Titus ahlale kwiSteelers arenewe with iSteelers yabo. Mina ngokubona kwami bafuna iMamelodi Sundowns imsign, but ke angisho ngolutho ningasho ukuthi ngithini yabo. Kwezinye zeindaba iKaizer Chiefs isenhlanhleni ke bafethu because izamalek leyo dlala neChiefs izofika la eSouth Africa with abadlali babo ama key players abo engekho okubani okuNabil Dunga noAbdahal El Said both are sidelined due to ama injuries. iKaizer Chiefs ebafethu isenhlanhleni ndikhumbuleke niyothenga amathikithi iKaizer Chiefs iyodlala le ePeter Mokaba Stadium. Kumele nifike nobuningi bafethu niyosupport iKaizer Chiefs njobe iyodlala kwiCAF Confederations yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu urefi bala eSouth Africa okuAbongile Tom neassistant yakhe uZakhele Siwela bafethu sebeselectiwe ukuthi babe khona for iAFCON 2025 lezo bele eMorocco. But ke uJelly Chavane akayenzanga ifinal list yorefi abazothathwa. But ke ubani uAbongile Tom ube khona bafethu wena uZakhele Siwela. Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukumbona bafethu uZakhele Siwela. He has been doing very good yabo. Naye kuAbongile Tom for me he is one of the best. He is one of the best currently ko ref abakhona la eSouth Africa. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu umdlalo obedlala kuyona iStellenbosch bafethu esidlala le manje kwiMLS ubani uOlwethu Makhanya kuthiwa umjida use extended icontract with iPhiladelphia Union. Umjida ke udlala kahle kakhulu lapha njengoba edlala kahle kakhulu nje kuthiwa icontract yakhe iyoze iphele ngobani ngo2027 yabo. Zajabulisa ke le indaba lezi umjida usayohlala nje lapha eAmerica aqhubeke adla imali. Umbokazi uzomjoyina soon lapha eAmerica. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa umdlali odlalela Chippa United uGiovanni Philander is approaching the final 6 months of his contract with the Chile Boys. He could be eligible to sign a pre-contract agreement from January 2026 if engekho ama extensions akhona. Yep. This player bafethu is one of those players angijabulayo ukubabona bedlalela iStellenbosch iChippa United. He's very good, he's very quick. I see him playing for my team la kuBetway Premiership. But again, I know Steelers ngakwazi usim approach sikukhune maybe. But again, this player is very good bafethu. Kungenzeka ukuthi ajoine ama team ngoJanuary. Ayikho icontract asayisayinile. Yabo. Ayikho contract asayisayinile. Ngazi noma uyena ufuna ukuphuma noma imanagement ayimrate ngaleyo ndlela. Angazi noma uyena ufuna ukuphuma noma imanagement. But again, mina ngokwami ngiStellenbosch ngamsayina lo mjida lo. Ngingamsayina. Look at ama players asephumile kwiSteelers. They need quality players. When you look at a player like this, uGiovanni Philander bafethu, this player like umdlali weSteelers nje, he is a Steelers player. He's that player ongayidlalela iSteelers but yabo uyiSteelers. Naye wase Western Cape futhi ngokuhlala. But ke izona ke indaba lezi bafethu engiyiphathele zona namhlanje. Ngangitshela nje kuma comments how do you feel ngale indaba lezi. Ngakhohlwa ke bafethu sesifikile ku 20k ku subscribers, safika ku 200k followers lapha ka TikTok. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for isupport eninginikeza yona bafethu. Sizoqhubeka nje siletha indaba zinjalo. Mungangilandeli, why ungangilandeli?